Here is what I would like to try and do. I would like to create a Python program on my Raspberry Pi 4. I want the program to retrieve the stock data contained on the stock chart, and then print it to the console. That's it. I want it to be the simplest possible program, while making use of the Yahoo Finance library. Could you do that for me? Please use the stock ticker, LUG.TO, as in London Gold on the TSX, thanks. Here is the answer. Yes, you can keep this very clean and minimal using the Y Finance library. 1. Install the library on your Pi. Run this once. Pip install the finance. So, then I asked. Alright, I have installed the pip Yahoo Finance library on Yahoo Finance. Now, I want to write a program that gathers stock statistics, and print them to the terminal. For now, I only want to print the profit margin statistic and the return on assets, TTM, statistic. Please write me a Python program that achieves this. If it helps, here is the web link where I believe the program should be taking data from, link provided. First, on the console, type source/min/bin/activate. Second, cd python n. Third, Python Y Finance, do not type square brackets, run whatever you saved your program as. Import finance as YF. Choose your stock, London Gold on TSX. Ticker underscore symbol equals LUG.TO. Create ticker object. Stock equals YF.ticker, ticker underscore symbol. Get info dictionary. Info equals stock.info. Extract desired statistics. Profit underscore margin equals info.get, profit margins. Return underscore on underscore assets equals info.get, return on assets. Print results nicely. Print, F stock, ticker underscore symbol. Print, dash asterisk 30. If profit underscore margin is not none. Print, F profit margin underscore margin asterisk 100.2%. Else. Print, profit margin, not available. If return underscore on underscore assets is not none. Print, F return on assets, TTM return underscore on underscore assets asterisk 100.2%. Else. Print, return on assets, TTM not available. Let's go through your code step by step, then I'll summarize what it does overall and explain how the Yahoo Finance library works, especially in the context of a Raspberry Pi. Line by line explanation. Import finance as YF. This line imports the finance library and gives it the shorthand name YF. This library acts as a Python wrapper around Yahoo Finance data, allowing you to programmatically retrieve stock quotes, financial metrics, and historical data. Using as YF just makes it easier to call functions from the library later. Choose your stock, London Gold on TSX. This is a comment. Python ignores it. It's just a note for humans explaining that the next line will define which stock we are analyzing. Ticker underscore symbol equals LUG.TO. Here you assign the string LUG.TO to the variable ticker underscore symbol. This is the ticker symbol for London Gold Inc. On the Toronto Stock Exchange. You'll use this variable to tell the finance which stock's data you want to retrieve. Create ticker object. Another comment explaining the purpose of the next line. Stock equals YF.ticker, ticker underscore symbol. This line creates a ticker object called stock. Under the hood, if finance sets up a connection to Yahoo Finance for the specified ticker. This object provides methods and properties to retrieve info like stock price, financial statements, dividends, splits, and more. Get info dictionary. Comment explaining that the next line will grab a summary of data about the stock. Info equals stock.info. The .info property fetches a dictionary containing a large set of statistics and metadata about the stock, like market cap, P/E ratio, profit margins, sector, and more. Each key in the dictionary corresponds to a specific financial metric. Extract desired statistics. Comment for context. Now you're going to pick the specific stats you want. Profit_margin equals info.get, profit margins. This line extracts the profit margins value from the info dictionary. The .get method is used here instead of info profit margins to safely return none if the key doesn't exist, avoiding a crash. Return_on_assets equals info.get, return on assets. Similarly, this extracts the return on assets metric, which measures how efficiently a company uses its assets to generate profit. Print results nicely. Comment noting that the next lines will display the results in a readable format. Print, F stock, ticker_ symbol. Prints the ticker symbol with a label. The F before the string allows you to insert variables directly into the string using print, **30. Prints a separator line of 30 dashes for readability. 14, 18. If profit_margin is not none, print, F profit margin, profit_margin *100.2%, else, print, profit margin, not available. This block checks if profit_margin exists. If it does, it multiplies by 100, because Yahoo Finance returns profit margins as decimals, e.g., 0.12 for 12%, and formats it to 2 decimal places with percent. If not, it prints not available. 19, 23. If return_on_assets is not none, print, F return on assets, TTM return_on_assets *100.2%, else, print, return on assets, TTM not available. Same logic as the previous block, but for return on assets, TTM equals trailing 12 months. Overall summary of what the code does. This script retrieves key financial metrics for a specific stock, in this case London Gold, LUG.TO. It connects to Yahoo Finance through the Finance Python library, fetches a detailed info dictionary for the stock, extracts the profit margin and return on assets, and prints them in a readable format. Essentially, it's a small reporting tool that can be adapted for other metrics or stocks, providing a quick glance at fundamental financial data without manually browsing Yahoo Finance. How Yahoo Finance charts and data are made available via eFinance, especially on a Raspberry Pi. eFinance is not scraping the Yahoo Finance website directly in the traditional sense. It accesses Yahoo's public API endpoints that serve structured JSON data. When you create a ticker object and call .info or .history, eFinance sends HTTP requests to Yahoo Finance, retrieves JSON responses with the requested financial data, and converts them into Python dictionaries or pandas data frames. On a Raspberry Pi, the library works just like on any other system as long as Python and the requests module are installed. Since a Pi has internet access, it can request the data, and eFinance handles the conversion into Python-friendly formats. Charting is not inherently part of eFinance, but you can feed the historical price data, .history, into libraries like Matplotlib to create your own visual charts locally on the Pi. Explanation of flow. The Raspberry Pi sends HTTP requests to Yahoo Finance's public API endpoints using eFinance. Yahoo Finance responds with structured JSON containing stock prices, metrics, and other data. eFinance parses the JSON and converts it into Python objects, dictionaries for .info, data frames for .history. Your script stores key metrics and variables like profit_margin and return_on_assets. Finally, the script formats and prints them neatly to the terminal. This same flow works for multiple stocks or historical charting. You just grab the .history data frame and plot it with matplotlib on the Pi.